PS Maddie Productions. Today, I am looking around on my computer around on clipping and and I was looking, and look what I found. Seawell Jumbo Slow Rising Squishy Toy Scented Squeezed Watermelon Structure Leaf Toy. Oh yeah, sure. Like this shirt and pants is totally a squishy. Totally squishy. That's just disappointing. I mean, that's cool. Trash fit 10 pieces. Okay, yeah. Sure. Like that jacket and pants is totally a squishy. So totally a squishy. Let's try to get this for a thumbnail. Stay still! No, they're shaky hands. Yeah, guys, just online looking for squishies because I have a $25 gift card, boy! Ah! Yeah, just saying, guys. That is not a squishy. Be careful online, peeps. And this is Prime. Amazon Prime! I am going to actually maybe email them and see if I can tell them what happened. If you guys know their email, go ahead. If you want to, you go email them. Thanks, guys. Bye. I know that was like the shortest video ever, but bye.